Thank God for you Patreons. This bike gets tore up, man. Today I'm with Jaeger Troop. How are you today, sir?
Excellent.
And the club, my man.
Woo.
I have a feeling this day is going to be filled with regret. A few videos ago, the club and I tried to get our bikes up this huge dirt hill, but we're unsuccessful. I vowed that I'd be back for that hill. Today is that day. It smells like diesel.
Hey, it makes it sound better.
You want to race to the white line? Out of my way, Chris. Oh, it's so rutted out now. Dude, we had some bad rain. This isn't gonna go over well. All right, here we go. Dude, bike fell so hard just now. Oh, there's some good damage on it this time. Put a hole in my fairing. I'm sliding down backwards. This is hard work. This is a bad idea. So the scary part is when the bike slides backwards. You really don't have any control of it. Ah! Why do we do this shit? Thank God for you Patreons. This bike gets tore up, man. My check engine light's on. It's overheating. Yes.
Good. I don't think I'm gonna do it again, but we're probably gonna do it again.
I'll never do this again.
We're gonna do it again next week.
Well, check engine lights on. For those of you guys want to know what this is the SSR Benelli. you guys are into it, link in the description of the video.
How hot does this bike usually get? Because it was like 280 something.
Yeah, it should have been overheating.
Well, it was. When it cooled off, it registered 280.
Let's go, it'll cool off.
I was like worried it exploded.
You're gonna be the one that kills the infamous bike.
Well, I'm glad my bike's not overheating anymore. This bike's pretty thrashed. It's been a good bike, but I don't know, man. Look at it. You know, I've had a lot. Oh, check engine lights back on. I think I might have crushed my radiator. Oh shit, it's already at almost 200 degrees. I don't think we're gonna make it. She hit 200. Can you see it? 207. 208. Come on, 210. 216. 18. 19. Come on. 21. Shit. My fan should be on right now, but it's not. 232. 241. Damn it. We're gonna have to pull over. Yeah. 250. She's overheating. Lights on and everything. Almost made it. Should we try diesel today?
Yeah. What could happen, dude?
Diesel.
Like a little bit more?
I don't want to have another Operation Rescue Club.
Dude, I put a lot in just now.
Okay. Putting diesel in a sport bike.
0.04. Dude, that's almost 0.1 gallons. That's a lot, dude.
Put in how much?
Less than 0.1 gallons.
That's a lot, dude.
I know it's like a decent amount for something that you're not supposed to put in there.
You put
0.1, but that tank